Biodiversity is us. Earth is abundant life form systems of life present in every part of the world, whether an ocean, the forest, the sky, the land, and every nook and cranny, there is what we call biodiversity.
Biodiversity is the variety of life present at all levels in ecosystem support that can encompass the evolutionary, ecological, and cultural process that sustain life.
Biodiversity is built by intertwined features: ecosystem diversity, species diversity, and genetic diversity. The more intertwined these three are, more resilient to the ecosystem. Take a look on the Amazon forest, which is one of the most biodiversity regions on this planet due to its complex system. The species that make up the ecosystem, and also the genetic variety within those species.
Species after species evolve and adapt for survival and express in enchanting ways according to National Geographic Society organization that scientists have estimated that there are around 8.7 million species of plants and animals in existence. However, only around 1.2 million species have been identified and described so far, most which are insects. That also means there are still organisms roaming around together with us yet to be discovered.
Seeds scattered can go into a new grease, and the remains of the fruit will decompose by a small system composed by insects and worms, which will benefit the soil to grow more healthy, rich trees for the same cycle. This pack of interconnects. Species create and links stability to the next biodiversity. The wave is further reinforced by the genetic diversity within an individual species, which allows me to cope with charges if one species removed from the ecosystem. It can continue to be resilient and recover from the charge, but that is not recoverable to all ecosystems. There are ecosystems that are sensitive that once certain species is destroyed, one loss can affected and threaten the entire fabric of ecosystem. Species and genetic diversity together form of the complex system of biodiversity.
Biodiversity is beautiful. Life in its optimum height with a numerical, exciting colors from a single pollinated flower to variety of life can be found nowhere else. Biodiversity has a significant role in everyone's life. Living on Earth, the human society greatly benefits from its richness. We value biodiversity for many reasons, may it be utilitarian or intrinsic. Mixed utilitarian values include many basic needs for human survival, such as food, medicine, energy, shelter, and many more. Further, ecosystems provide crucial services such as pollination, seed dispersal, water purification, and nutrient cycle, and control of agriculture. Fees. Intrinsic value of diversity refers to its inherent worth, which is independent of its value to anyone or anything else. A philosophical concept which can be taught as inalienable right to exert its benefit to a person's collective will, being responsible for and connection with the environment and connection with the environment. Our planet might seem firmament teachers, but is limited and threatened to collapse due to excessive human consumption and various activities that threaten balance the ecosystem that result to deliberate destructions and species extinctions. For Earth can be desert, the restaurant ecosystem can be covered by OSHA.
Some scientists estimate that half of all species on Earth will be wiped out within next century. That is why many organizations and efforts of local communities manage efforts of local communities to preserve and protect the environment for the use of many future generations. They carry out various activities for the youth to embrace healthy nature by ensuring cleanliness, participating in programs for environmental preservation, and protect to become the next protector of wild animals in use of extinction. Biodiversity is vital for organisms to survive on Earth, and we, humans, are interwoven on the same system. In our hands lies the solution. We just need to act upon it by planting trees, pick up the garbages, and save our planet. According to Thomas Eisner, biodiversity is the greatest treasure we have, as diminishment is to be prevented.